Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So bringing you a really important video. This video is time sensitive in my opinion. It's regarding the massive tech sell-off that we've been undergoing. Now this is representing a great buying opportunity in certain stocks, but you need to buy into the right stocks because not every tech stock is going to recover the same. You gotta add to the highest conviction plays out there. That's where the money is gonna flow back into, and that's gonna be your best long-term bet. So in today's video, I'm gonna be covering 4 really high conviction tech stocks in my opinion. These are stocks that Cathie Woos has high conviction in. She's adding a lot of money to each of these stocks. These are some of her biggest positions in her ETFs. So let's get straight into this video. The first stock I'm going to cover is Palantir. So Cathie Woos ARK's ETF added over 2.6 million shares of Palantir, and Palantir has been getting crushed over the past month. In my opinion, this is one of the highest conviction plays that Cathie Woos has. It's currently the 37th largest holding of the ARK Innovation ETF and the 20th largest holding in the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. So Palantir has recently had a massive slump due to a lockup expiration and a surprise quarterly loss. Not only that though, it's obviously tanked from the massive tech sell-off, so it's been getting beaten down massively. But as of today, it's Tuesday, I'm filming, tech stocks are rebounding hard. Palantir is one of the stocks that's also rebounding very nicely. So we can see today we're up 8% so far into the day. We were trading in the $40 range, so we're very depressed even at today's levels. And if you're going to be buying for the long term, in my opinion, this is a good spot to enter. Now let's move on to the next company. Next one here, guys, is BFLY Network. Ticker symbol is BFLY. This is a company that I was personally invested in. With Palantir, I was recommending that stock actually at $9 a share. BFLY, I got in at $16 a share before it shot up. Now this is a chart that shows the amount of shares that ARK has been buying and the price of the stock. You can see that they've been continually adding to their share count, and since about February 24th, they've spiked in the amount of shares they're buying. They're really loading up as the stock price is going down. This is shown to me, this is a high conviction play for ARK. If we go over here, we can see all the amount of shares they've been buying recently. They've been really loading the boat on this one. I'm actually a little bit surprised how much conviction they have into BFLY. Personally, it's not a super high conviction stock for me, but it is a bit of an asymmetric bet. If you go through their financials, when you're looking 3 years out at $16, it's quite cheap. However, today we're seeing a massive bounce in most tech stocks. BFLY Network is no exception. They are up 12% and it's only halfway through the trading day. Currently at $18. In my opinion, this is a pretty safe position, or a safe spot rather, to add to your position. We were trading around $27 less than a month ago. So we could very well, we could get back to that $27 range, but it's no guarantee. The tech sell-off, like I said in my last video, I wouldn't be surprised if it does continue for another 2 weeks, but nobody really knows. And it is really dependent on the yields rising, like most of you probably know. Now, I don't want to get too in-depth what BFLY Network does, but essentially they have a handheld ultrasound device. That is what they sell, and the founder has, he's created a lot of different healthcare related products in the past, and he has a very good track record. So I believe that this is going to be a winner as well. Now the third company I want to talk about is to do with sports betting, and that is DraftKings. DraftKings is very nicely positioned to benefit over the next 10 years in this industry. This is a stock that's super popular amongst most YouTubers, so I don't cover it on this channel because I feel like it's just it's very widely covered already. I can't really add much value to you guys, I feel like. But currently, DraftKings actually hasn't really sold off much over the last month. They're actually near all-time highs. Today, we're up almost 4%, trading around that $62 mark. Now, in my opinion, you're not getting a massive discount here, but if you have high conviction in the long term, I think it's a pretty good spot to enter position into. Cathie Woos and her team has been piling into DraftKings, so clearly they have very high conviction in this stock. Moving on to the fourth company, guys. This is my highest conviction play that Cathie Woos has probably invested into. I'm currently invested into this company still, and I really want to add a lot more to this stock. I think this stock is a no-brainer, asymmetric bet. It's going to benefit massively over the next 10 years. That company is Teledoc Health Inc. Ticker symbol is TDOC. This is one of ARK's biggest positions in their funds. So they hold over $1.1 billion in this stock. This company, guys, I was recommending on my channel, I believe around $190 a share. I went through the financials. I basically said fair value would actually be closer to $300 a share in this company. The stock has sold off massively this past month, and I never thought we would actually see these prices again. You can see today we're up 10%, so now we're actually at $195. Look at this chart. Like, we had a huge sell-off. We were approaching $300 a share. Then this massive sell-off occurred. They also apparently didn't meet earnings expectations, even though I thought they increased their revenues very nicely. However, the market wasn't happy. In addition to the tech sell-off, this stock has plummeted hard. And in my opinion, this is probably the best opportunity to take advantage of the tech sell-off. I think this company is just almost easy money. I would categorize it as easy money, an easy long-term hold that you don't even look at the share price over the next 10 years. It's just something you continue to add to. And then when the year 2030 rolls around, you're gonna look at the stock and you're gonna be up huge. That's kind of how I look at Teledoc Health. I didn't sell a single share during the sell-off, and I have no plans to sell. I'm only going to be adding to this position. Like I've mentioned earlier, I'm not sure if this tech sell-off is over. I do think it has a little bit more legs left in it. So I haven't added to my position in Teledoc yet. However, under $200 is an absolute steal. So, I've been adding really heavily into other positions that I haven't disclosed with you guys. I went really heavy into Molson Coors and really heavy into Leslie's stock. I've covered both of those companies and my reasons in previous videos if you're interested in that. That's really the main reason why I haven't bought the dip in Teledoc yet. However, I am fully positioned in those stocks, and Teledoc definitely has my attention right now. Anyways, guys, these are some of Cathie Woos' highest conviction stocks. There's some of my highest conviction stocks within her portfolio as well. Definitely keep an eye on them. I do think that all of them are good buying opportunities right now. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to drop this video a big thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching till then, guys. I'll see you in the next video.